Now, what is the question number 3.4 from the NCERT? Write the question here. A drunkard walking in a narrow lane, a drunkard walking in a narrow lane, takes 5 steps forward, and 3 steps backwards. Takes 5 steps forward and 3 steps backwards. Followed again by 5 steps forward and 3 steps backwards. And so on. Each step is 1 meter long. And requires 1 second. Each step is 1 meter long and requires 1 second. Plot the xt graph. Distance time graph plus the displacement time graph of this motion, and determine graphically how long the drunkard takes to fall in a pit. 13 meter away from the start. Now see the question carefully. What is this question? Question gives you that drunkard is moving on a straight lane and he takes 5 steps forward, 3 steps backward. 5 steps forward, 3 steps backward. In this manner, the drunkard is moving. Each step is 1 meter long and 1 second time is required for 1 step. So how long will it take to drop or fall in a pit? And that pit is 13 meters away from the start point. That is the question. And I have to use only the graphical section. So how I will plot this graph here? See my graph carefully. I have to plot xt graph. I needed to plot xt graph. This is x, this is t. It is xt graph. This is your xt graph. Now see, on this I am having the time. First, let's use situation. It is 0 time. It is the 5 seconds. In the 5 second distance level will be what? It will be 5. It is meter, and this unit is in time. This unit of time is seconds here. In the first 5 seconds, first 5 step forward, so displacement is increasing. That is happening here. Now in the next 3 seconds, it is coming back. That means time is what? Time is 8 seconds, but 3 steps are back. That means now displacement is what only? Displacement with only 2. From the 5, he is coming back. So now displacement is 2. Now he is doing what? He is again taking 5 steps forward. So 5 steps forward. That means this time duration is what? 13. And what will be this distance? This distance will be 2 plus 5. We will get 7 meter. You will get here 7 meter. After the 7 meter, again 3 steps backwards. If 3 steps backward, then time will be adding. This distance will be what? 16 times second. And this distance is what? 4 meter. Where the person is available now, drunkard is available at the 4 meter. Now again process start 5 meter forward. From the 4, he will give where? He will go to the segment of 9. There he will go 9 meter. And what will be the time here? You will require 21 seconds. Now 3 steps backward. That means he is at 9. After 3, he will reach where? He will reach at the 6. He will reach where? He will reach to the 6 meter. And this distance, this time is what? 24. And this distance is 6 meter. What is this distance? 6 meter. From this point, he will again take 5 steps forward. So from the 6, he will reach to 11 meter. And time required will be what? 24 plus 5. You write here 29 seconds. After this one, you will take 3 steps backward. Please take in 3 steps back. It is 11. After 3 steps, he will reach to step 8. Then he will reach to the 8 meter distance. And time will be what? 29 plus 3. That is 32 seconds. And this distance is what? 8 meter. Now from this point, he will again take 5 more steps in forward direction. So 5 more steps, 8 plus 5. What you will get? You will get here 13 meter. And what is the time there? You will get here time is 37 seconds. Now he will not come back. He will not come back because at the 13-meter distance there is a pit, and person that drunkard is inside the pit. He will not come back. So here, what is the answer? 37-second time is required to fall this drunkard in the pit, and this is XT graph. What is it? XT graph. Copy the question carefully. Okay, now write the 3.5 question. Question number 3.5. A jet airplane traveling at the speed of 500 km per hour. At the speed of 500 km per hour, ejects its product of combustion. Ejects its product of combustion at the speed of 1500 km per hour. 1500 km per hour relative to the jet plane. Relative to the jet plane, what is the speed of later? What is the speed of later with respect to an observer? What is the speed? What is the speed of the later with respect to an observer on the ground? With respect to an observer on the ground. That is the question. That is your question. Right? Carefully. When I did velocity of gases with respect to plane is minus 1500. Velocity of jet plane is 500. So what is velocity of jet with observer? That is 500. And velocity of gases with jet, it is relative, minus 1500. So what is the velocity of gas? Velocity of gas, I find out, you will get here minus 1000 km per hour. And velocity of gas with respect to observer placed on ground, it will be minus 1000 km per hour. That is the here. Question gives you initial velocity 126 km per hour. You can convert into meter per second. So 126, you will get 5 by 18. Let 5 by 18, and 5 by 18 will be what? What will be? 18 7 is 126. You will get 35 meter per second. 35 meter per second. If you memorize the table of 18, it will be quite comfortable to you because 18 will utilize a lot in motion 1G. So initial velocity is 35 meter per second. Time I want to calculate, s is given to me. Acceleration I want to calculate, and final velocity is 0. So I can apply the third equation. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. So what is the value of a? A will be v square minus u square divided by 2s. V square minus u square by 2s. V is your 0 minus, what is u? U is the square of 35. 35 into 35 divided by 2 into s. S is your 200. S is your 200. Now you can divide it. 5 7 35. You will get here 40. And 5 7 35. You will get here 40. So what you will get? Acceleration is minus 49 by 16. Acceleration is minus 49 by 16. And what will be final answer? Minus 3.06 meter per second square. Take this sign. Sign is minus 3.06 meter per second square. We are needed to calculate acceleration also. Sorry, time also. Acceleration you have calculated. Time you can calculate by use of equation 1 also. If you are going to utilize equation 1, a is equals to b minus u by t. Then what is t? 0 minus, what is u? U is 35 meter per second. You can remove this one here. And what is acceleration? It is minus 49 by 16. Minus 35 by 49 into 16. Divide it and multiply it first. 16 5 80. 16 3 48 and 8. You will get 56. Minus sign is cancelled. 560 divided by 49. 560 divided by 49. And what will be answer here? 11.4 seconds. This is the time required to stop the car. Time required is 11.4 seconds. Acceleration is minus 3.06 meter per second square. Quickly copy the question. Next question 3.7. Two trains A and B of length 400 meter. Two trains A and B of length 400 meter each are moving on two parallel tracks. With a uniform speed of 72 km per hour. With a uniform speed of 72 km per hour. In same direction with A ahead of B. With capital A ahead of B. We are having two trains. Now capital train is ahead of B. With A ahead of B. The driver of train B, decides to overtake A. The driver of train B decides to overtake A and accelerates by 1 meter per second square. And accelerates by 1 meter per second square. If after 50 seconds, the guard of B, just brushes past the driver of train A, what was the original distance between the train A and B? What was the original distance between the train A and B? Now listen to the question again carefully. What is the question? There are the two trains A and B. Both are moving on two parallel tracks. Train A is ahead of train B. This is the question given to you. What is this question to you? There are the two trains. This is the train A and this is the train B. Initially, train A is ahead of train B. I don't know what is the distance between them. The distance I need to calculate. These both are moving with same speed, 72 km per hour. These both are moving with same distance, same speed, 72 km per hour. Now, B decides to overtake A. And what is done? B is done acceleration of 1 meter per second square, and after 50 seconds, what is the position? It is the train A and it is the train B. That means guard of train B just brushes past the driver of A. You have to find out what was the initial distance between the trains. That was your question. What is the solution here? This is the question given to you. I've converted kilometer per hour into meter per second. My speed is 20 meter per second. Now, distance traveled by train A in 50 seconds. Applied as is equals to UT plus half AT square. You will get here 1000 meter. Now, distance traveled by train B. In 50 seconds. It is accelerated motion. So I calculated it. You will get here 2250 meter distance. Now, what is the difference of distance between both trains? That is 1250 meters. That is it. So what is the actual distance between both trains? So I am calculating it. It is actual distance traveled by train B minus distance traveled by train A minus length of both trains. That is 800. In this manner, you will get your answer is 450 meter.